Hello everybody, I got my kit from Pampered Chef. Let me show you. The first thing I got, I'm going to use it for my table, is the Deluxe electric griddle. Okay, so I got that. And then I got let me show you. And then we got, this is the 3-quart micro cooker. You can cook rice in it in the microwave. So you got the lid and you got the vent. So this is pretty nice, and it's a pretty decent size pot. So again, that's the 3-quart micro cooker plus. Then in the kit, I also got several little cutting mats. So that's pretty awesome. And then I got the classic batter bowl, and it does come with a lid, and it does have the measurements in cups on this side and measurements in cups in, ounces on this side. So this is an 8-cup batter bowl. So put that back in the box. I kind of laid this stuff out so it would be easier for me to go through this stuff with y'all. All right, and then I got the, this is the manual food processor. And you have your blades in there, which are covered. So it comes off, and of course the blade sticks up here. And then if you're chopping and you're not going to use it right away, I did get a lid to go with that. All right, moving on. So then we got the adjustable grater. You put your cheese in here, and what you're going to do is you just, instead of putting your hands close to it, whatever, you just kind of put this in here and just go move it across. Well, let's see if I can figure out how to get it to go back. There we go. So that is the adjustable coarse grater. All right, and then we got, no kitchen is complete without a garlic press. So we got the garlic press. Then we got the rapid prep. So this is pretty neat. It will actually, here's your tray, and it actually has the stands to where you can stand it up, and then you just place it in here somehow. Anyways, you place it in there when this is open, and then here's your thing to move it across to grade. I got it completely backwards, y'all. I am so sorry. Anyways, I'm going to demonstrate these better. So, and it does come with the cleaning brush, which is pretty awesome. So that is the rapid press medallion. All right. We also got a bag of the pancake waffle mix. And then we got the mini measure all cup. So it has all the different measurements on it. And we got a whisk. Everybody needs a whisk. Now, I love these. These are the measuring spoons. So whatever you need it for, see, you can, like, if you need, let's say 3/4 of a tablespoon, you push it down to 3/4 of a tablespoon, and that's that. And you got this one, like if you need, like right now it's at 1 tablespoon, and then you just push it down. And so that's pretty neat. I love those measuring spoons. And then of course you have a scraper, some nice tongs, and then we have the one of the coated knives, and it does come with a case, so it's pretty nice. I love their knives. Their knives are pretty awesome. Maybe I should put it in the right way. So it does come in a case so you don't accidentally cut yourself. We also got a Pampered Chef apron. And we got a thing of Greek rub. And then the other thing that we got, let me see. I'm going to look it up in the catalog because I want to give you the right information on it. Because I am a consultant and I signed up for it. I think it's pretty neat. Let's see here. Looks like it's going to be on page 52. All right. We have 2 things. It's called Enrichables that you can get a subscription for. But the one that I got is called Taste Buds. So let me find that one and I can explain the Taste Buds to you. Well, they don't have it in here. But anyways, they have a subscription for Taste Buds. So you would get this, the seasonings, right? Southwestern, not this one, but you would get 3 seasonings, and you can do a month, a 3-month, or a 6-month. And then you would receive your seasonings every month in the mail. And then along with your seasonings, you're going to get a recipe card. So you get a recipe card. It has the complete instructions on the back of everything you need. It even tells you how to change it up with, making it vegetarian. It has your nutritional needs and complete directions. So that's what you get with the Taste Buds. And then you can also get like different information, like you can scan these, but it'll tell you all the prep tools you need, the ingredients. It tells you the vegetarian option. So it's pretty awesome. I got a recipe book in there, and of course I got my catalogs. And along with the grill, I did get, which is big, the waffle plates to go in with the grill. So this is the last thing that I want to show you. Maybe. I don't think I thought this through as far as opening it. So let's get y'all moved so we can open this box. And I've not looked at this yet. So basically, well, I can show you in the catalog. Let's see here. But this I got for my husband because he does travel. So I figured this would be something nice for him to carry with him on the road. And that way he can, cook out and all that kind of cool stuff. So, but yeah, this was all in my kit. And again, I will be demonstrating some of the items that I got. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you'd like to host a party, just let me know, because there's 3 different ways that you can do the party, and your rewards start at 200. So, you know, you get a lot of free stuff, and there's some stuff that's only available to hostess or consultants. So that's pretty awesome. One of those things that's only available to consultants and hostess is this awesome mixer. So if you would like to host a party, let me know. If you're interested in joining Pampered Chef, let me know. We can set up your launch party. And then that way, if you join, you get your kit, do your launch party, you earn the hostess rewards and a paycheck. So that's a no-brainer. So stay tuned. I will be demonstrating products, and I will be posting videos of me cooking using some of my Pampered Chef items. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day.